Hi everyone, Farid from Beep here, and I will explain to you what to do in case you get a message saying that you still need to finish signing up. Okay, so first of all, let's check if you actually finished your registration process. And if you go to Beep extension, and if you don't have it here, you can always click here to the extensions list and then choose it from here. So if I open it, if you see this type of page, that means you finished your registration. If you don't see this, that means you have not finished your registration yet. So let me show you what to do in that case. Okay, so I will open a new Chrome profile just for this example, and I will show to you how to register from the beginning till the end. So first of all, once you have installed Beep, I will go here. I would highly advise you to pin this to the toolbar. So if I click here, now it will always be here. And now I just click here and I will use email for registration, and I will just type in my test email, doesn't really matter, and I'll just type some password. So now let's click continue. Oh, sorry, this email already exists, so I will choose another email. Okay, so now let's choose a username. I'll just write a username here, Beep test username. Let's click continue. So now, when you see this, you still need to continue. It says that please finish onboarding. So most people, what they do is once they get to this point, they actually close the extension, and that's why when you try to create a comment, it tells you please finish signing up. So that's why what you need to do is you need to click on Beep again, and if you don't see it here, just click on this extensions icon and open it from here, and then continue your registration process. So what is your full name? Just write your full name, continue, choose an avatar that you like, click start, and then you will see this page. Once you see this page, that means you finish your registration. So now if I click Alt or Option plus C, now I can actually start creating comments. If you have any other questions, just email me at farid@justbeepit.com. Bye bye.